I'm 25 years old. I'm an online marketer. And I also own a chain of businesses in Ghana.
Well, I'm looking for a man and he's looking like a boy. And I don't like his shoes. So yes, that's what I thought.
I just don't like him.
Okay. Of course, it's my younger brother.
What is their language of love?
Money.
You think so they're white?
And I'm 43 years old.
70 years old.
I'm a trader. I sell tomatoes, Kobe, amoni, those things. So I want to ask you, I hope my age isn't a problem because yours isn't a problem.
I don't like him, but I didn't want to crush his ego or something.
A misfortune happens in the future and I no longer have this looks. What are you going to do with it?
Okay, so I believe that looks can be maintained with money, which I have a lot. Money can solve that.
Because money can't solve looks.
Continue.
Every situation.
Baby, that's a lie.
This man,
You don't know what you want.